Na vrhu zaleta je Primož Roglič.
I'm impressed like every day by the crowds and of the people that are at the roads and cheering for us. I'm really pleased that I could come to race with our team at my home country and can be all really proud.
Wat een tijd. Wat een verschrikkelijke tijd.
Really crazy, and it's for the people, for all the fans that come to support me. For sure the victory is for them, and yeah, I just want to enjoy on these nice feelings. We are competing for them to make a show, to be some idols or something for them, and I think it's really yeah, I'm pleased to do it.